So imagine you've got three P elements here. I've copy pasted from the control key from Wikipedia. So you've got three P elements, three paragraphs, and there is one of them that you want to format differently. So either you're going to use a different tag, but you don't have that many tags in HTML, you only have 50. So there's another way. Let's take control, and we've got the three P's, and you want to do something differently with this one. So for example, let's say you want to have a different color. One idea would be to use this style, the in-text style method. So, and then you do something like this, and then color blah blah blah, sorry, color equals blue, save, and then go back and do, yeah, that was something, sorry, I forgot, I renamed the file, and there you go, all your mistakes. So style equals, and then property, column, and then the value. So I go back here, and I've got blue. So one way to do that is by using in-text styles. However, this is not very economical, and what if you want to have the same kind of formatting or style in different files? So you want a more external way to do it. So if I've got another file like this one, so, and there is this P as well that I want to change into blue and whatever I want, and so it's a bit inconvenient, and so I need to do something more clever. So what you can do is you can still use the same P tag, but then you're going to use this attribute. It's called class equals, and then you're going to give a name of your own. For example, you can say blue text, or text in blue, or what. It's up to you, it doesn't matter. So you can see I go back to my original file, and nothing is in blue. Okay, so there you go, I put it back. So what you can do here is you can go to your style sheet, and then precise the tag, which is a P because it is still a P here, and then you have to indicate the class. In order to do that you have to take the P. You cannot do something like this, because it's going to be applied to every P element. So what you're going to do is element, and then you've got a dot or full stop or whatever that separates the tag from the name of the class you have created. So it was text in blue. So there you go, you've got the element and the name of the class, and then you've got a dot in between. So I go back to my website, and I again refresh, and I've got this. We can have the same format in the other file. So we go back to, first of all, let's rename them. The title is control, and then the thing is alt. There you go. So imagine that in this file here, in the second file, so we've got control and then alt. This is the one I want to put in blue, or it doesn't matter, the same format as this one. So what I'm going to do is come here and use the same class equals text in blue, save, then I go back and I refresh, and there you go. So I've got the same format. If for example I change my mind and I want everything, all this in blue, to change it in red, it's quite easy. So I go back to my style sheet and P text in blue, color red, save, and then refresh, refresh, and I got it directly, so I didn't have to come here, open both files and change here style equals and then style equals. I just do it with one more general or decentralized method. So you can imagine that you can use the class tag for any given tag, HTML tag, h1 class hello. So you've got the h1 evolution and then h1 class hello. So I can go back to my style. Do not forget that when you have an h1 without a class or classless, and then you've got an h1 with one class, with a certain class, every single formatting command that applies to h1, to normal h1 ones, is going to be applied to h1 with a specific class, because you've got h1 which is the more generic, and then you've got h1 class hello which is more specific. So the h1 hello is going to inherit all properties from h1. However, when you format h1 hello, it's not going to affect the h1 the generic h1s. So style, I've got for h1 already some formatting, so I can do is come here and say h1 hello, no quotes, nothing, and then again color, I don't know, yellow, whatever. Then there you go. You can see here the formatting. There's the coloring of the text. Look at this here. Color yellow. Yellow is in black, so you can see that Notepad++ puts the property names in blue and the values in black. You can see that even this here is in black because we haven't finished. We haven't done this yet. So it believes that even table is the continuation of the value for the property color. You have to find a way to tell the software that this is the end, here is the end of this value. So either you do something like this, or you just close up the brackets or whatever, the curly brackets. So and there is some problem here, but yeah, whatever. Some reason, okay. So there you go, and I go back here and I refresh, and you've got it yellow. The fact that h1 hello is yellow, it doesn't mean that the h1 is going to be yellow, just this one. So there you go. This is a practical way to change the appearance of one subgroup of tags without affecting the rest of it.